How people treat me with regular brown hair compared to my bright pink hair. First step to putting a wig on is you need to lay your hair as flat as possible. So I'm having my mom braid my hair right now. I think this is as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna go get mic'd up and then let's go put this experiment to the test. Oh my God, I'm scared. Let me know. Do you think I would look weird if I dyed my hair pink?
I don't think so.
No?
I think you could rock it.
You think I could rock it? Yeah. Okay. Do you think normal hair is better or like colored hair?
I mean, I like your normal hair as it is right now.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
But come back with pink hair and let's see.
Okay. I ripped it off. He said come back with pink hair. He said that he liked my hair the way it was, but I think he would have liked it more if it was pink. I don't know. Maybe this is going not the way I thought it was gonna go. Now that we've gotten the reactions of people with my normal brown hair, let's get some reactions of people with my normal bright pink hair. I don't have a wig on today. I'm all natural pink hair goodness. We're gonna walk around and try to get some people's reactions and see if they treat me different or if they treat me like a normal person. So let's go. Hi. Do you like my hair?
I love your hair.
Oh, thank you.
I wish I had the courage to do that.
Girl, you can do it.
I'm wearing all black. I really like your hair.
Thank you.
She had it red.
Yeah, I had it red. I just took the bright red.
How'd you get that out?
Oh, I still got it. But I love that color. I love it.
Do I think people treat me worse with natural hair versus colored hair? No. Do I think people treat me worse when I have pink hair versus colored hair? No. I just think everybody likes what they like.